In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Garmin Venu 2S to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and connect your Garmin Venu 2S on your iPhone. You will be able to manage all of the data being tracked, you will be able to customize your calendar, your goals, your challenges, and so on. So, to do this, you will have to download the Garmin Connect application. You can find the latest version of this app within the App Store. So look for Garmin Connect on the App Store. When you have this app downloaded, you will be able to set up an account for free, so sign up to use the services, and after you sign into that account, you can add devices. Now, when you power on your Garmin Venu 2S, there is going to be a screen asking you if you want to pair it up to a phone right after you choose the language for the first time. All that you have to do is choose yes. If you have previously powered on the device and you chose no when you first saw this message, don't worry, just go over to these settings and you will also be able to find the option to pair it up with a phone. So access the settings, choose pair phone, and now you can finish this process inside of Garmin Connect. Make sure that the Venu 2S is in close proximity of your iPhone, and then inside of Garmin Connect, tap Add Device. You will be able to browse through a very extensive list of Garmin watches that can be connected to the app. And all that you have to do is choose Browse All Devices, select the Venu line, scroll down until you find Venu 2S. Immediately upon selecting Venu 2S, as long as the actual watch is in close proximity of your iPhone, it is going to automatically pair itself up. So you might have to input a code being displayed on the screen of the Venu 2S or confirm it there. And after you input the code or you confirm by tapping and selecting the buttons on the screen, it is going to pair itself up. You will be able to set up the schedule, challenges, goals, and so on, and everything will be managed within the application. Sadly, I cannot show you this full process on screen, but as long as you follow the instructions, it is intuitive to do and you will be able to get this done. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Garmin Venu 2S to iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.